Where all I jewelry them there? Where them there? Una name up on a Christmas dinner. Eh? Una name up on a master baker cake. Eh? What I do? Huh? What I do? In a Christmas here. Merry Christmas to me. Merry Christmas to me. Merry Christmas, Master Baker. Merry Christmas to me. Oh, you know, so I have 40 of the black of the blackest cake left. I may have 20 of the fullest cake left. Wanna refuse to buy until their Christmas Day. So I want to think about it when I sit down around on the table. I eat in a dinner today. Oh, I never support Master Baker. And done out my cakes them. I never done out my cakes them. But to all of the people them, we buy Master Baker blackest of the blackest cake. Nuttiest of the nuttiest cakes. Fullest of the fullest cakes. I want to thank her now. I want to tell her now. Merry Christmas. You hear? And because, you see it? When I bring bad luck to Master Baker on Christmas Day, my boy, drop off. Master Baker is not a gift anymore. But I come on to tell him, say, Merry Christmas to honor and the family. I want to sit down and name up a ram goat, and the red snapper, and the oxtail, and I drink up on a sorrel, and I remember son a name by Master Baker, blackest of the blackest cake. Yes, but Master Baker sell enough cakes this cake season, and Master Baker buy herself something for Christmas, and Master Baker want to share it with her. May I thank all of the people them who buy my blackest of the blackest cake. The nuttiest of the nuttiest cake. And the fullest of the fullest cake. Thank you now. Because I know Master Baker able to buy herself a nice Christmas gift. I'm ready for show it to her. Yeah. See it here. See it here. Master Baker. This is where I met Master Baker get. Yes. For her Christmas. You understand? Yes. Master Baker, focus upon our cakes. Yes, focus upon our things. And Master Baker buy herself something nice. Because I what buy me blackest of the blackest cakes. You understand? Wanna make me want to cry. Wanna make me want to cry. Wanna support me now. Wanna make me want to cry. So Master Baker, no one ball pie. So Master Baker, I gotta just take off. You understand me? Yes, Master Baker, focus upon our cakes. And this is what Master Baker did. Yes. So Master Baker, I gotta just take a ride. Take a little ride, you know what I mean? Master Baker, I gotta take a... Fish store on my bumper, too. Fish store on my bumper. Fish store on my bumper, too. Yes. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you fabulous jurors. Love you guys. Big up on yourself. Master Baker out till next cake season. Yes. That you have the nuttiest cakes. If you don't want it, place an order. You understand? And I will ship it to other. I will ship it to other for New Year's Eve. You understand? It's not too late. Maybe you get it sometime in February. But the intent is to send it to honor for New Year's Eve. Yeah. Merry Christmas from Master Baker. Bye-bye.